Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and I am super excited, man. I wasn't going to do a video today, wasn't even going to do an unboxing when this came in. But Kim Gray, you did too much, thank you. You sent me a huge box, so we're going to do an unboxing because it looks like a lot of goodies to get through. I mean, I did already, cut the top, but look how big this is. This is huge. Huge. Alright. Excuse the cough, excuse the wispy hair. We're not doing anything with it right now, but looks like I got an awesome Lancaster towel. They are great. I greatly appreciate it, Kim. Yes. Nice and soft. Hang it up. Boom. New edition. And this looks to be alright. An Adoration Brush, which I'm very thankful for. Oh, that's sweet. It's a Heritage Collection, but looks to be a boar knot. I wonder if it's gelled. Could be. Very nice. I love boars. Thank you, Kim. Big fan of boars. Like a boar more than I like a badger. Alright, let's see if I can get into this. There we go. Oh, that's right. All the Rage. This is a Ventus dupe from Shannon Soaps in collaboration with the Razor Company. Oh yeah, that's nice. I'm not going to get the originally, but you get a lot of the pineapple off the top. So very, very nice. And this is what I think I was expecting. She said she had won it, and I think she already has one. So she sent it to me, but we've got oil samples from HCNC. And I think actually, yeah, there they are. I've got some Badass Shave Soap sample and 2 of these unscented shave balms. So that's going to be great. Give that a go. Now, super excited. I got an HCNC bowl. I'm excited to use this because I'm a Captain's Choice guy, and this is a little bit bigger around, a little bit more shallow. We'll see. I'll probably end up loving the thing. I mean, it's very similar to the other. The grooves inside are different, so we'll see if I like it more. We got Bay Rum. Unscented, so I can use the oils. Peppermint. Ooh. Unscented Shave Balm. Did we already do Peppermint? Hidden Goddess. And another Hidden Goddess. Alright. I'm set. So I got some videos to do. I make some shave of the days. But dude, look at the box this comes in. And I'm going to put them in this. But like, you open it up and that's pretty nice presentation. Foam, you know. It's better than just being thrown in bubble wrap. I mean, that's kind of sexy, right? I like it. Excited. Next shave, we are definitely using the HCNC bowl. Heck yeah. Thank you, Kim, and thank you for everybody that watched, and hope y'all continue to have a great week.